Today I'm going to share the AIDM sales system that has made us and our clients millions of dollars over the past 2 years. And I broke it down into simple steps that you can start executing on today. The AIDM sales system is a system for anyone to turn their Instagram traffic, no matter how big, into paying high-ticket clients. The first phase of the AIDM sales system is to attract your audience. And you can do this through two separate ways, either through ads or through content. And I would recommend you doing both. Everyone who sees either an ad of yours or your content is going to be funneled to your optimized Instagram profile. Your Instagram profile needs to be set up in a way where it creates curiosity and attracts the right kind of buyers, where you can then turn those people into conversations in phase 2, which is the connect phase. The connect phase means that you need to reach out to every single person who comes in through the attract phase. If you attract people but you never get in touch with them, they cannot turn into high-paying clients. The connect phase works with either inbound conversations. So if your profile is optimized in a way where they see your content, they see your stories, and then they reach out to you, that is an inbound message, or through automated outreach, which can be done through ManyChat, for example, where you can message everyone who comments, where you can also message everyone who follows your account. And there's a lot of different ways that you can automate this outreach. And that then leads to an Instagram conversation where ideally you would have an AI setter. At least that's what we focus on. We only built AI setters for our agency for the better part of 2 years and implemented those in businesses using this exact system. Now, if you don't have an AI setter, you can also set yourself or hire human setters, but AI setters have a lot of benefits such as speed to lead, unlimited scalability. So let's say you want to scale up your ads, you go super viral with some of your content. If you have this fully automated with AI, you're going to be able to keep up your momentum and close more deals. Now, once the AI setter is talking to the lead, we go to phase 3, which is the convert phase. In the convert phase, you need automated follow-ups, which are also handled by the AI setter because people are going to drop off. If you want a conversation to convert into a call and then later a client, you need to do follow-ups. There's no way around it. And AI qualification. AI qualifies the people using the AI setter so that they go through these phases and end up in the convert phase, and only the people who are really qualified end up booking calls, which means they are ready to buy calls. And this is key. You don't want calls for the sake of having calls. You want people in your calls who are ready to buy so that you can close them on ticket sizes such as 5K, 36K, 4K, 11K, and make revenues such as these on screen right here. And obviously you need detailed data collection on the entire process, which is a huge benefit of using an AI setter because it can collect data for you on autopilot compared to having human setters or doing it yourself where you need to note down every single lead status and all of these things. AI does everything for you. Now, the outcomes of this system are pretty straightforward. Number one, you have high quality data. You know exactly where you can tweak things and you don't guess whether something you tweaked actually ended up working, but you have high quality data that you can rely on. Second is consistent lead flow. The attract phase, if you combine ads with content, allows you to funnel unlimited traffic through this AIDM sales system, which is vital if you want a successful growing business. The third outcome is that you make more money in less time than you have ever before, because by optimizing the system in this simple yet effective way, you are able to focus on the things that actually matter in your business, such as client fulfillment, for example, and spend less time on the mundane tasks such as automating your outreach or replying to random DMs or following up with leads. All you need to do is make sure these ready to buy calls actually turn into clients, and then you make more money as a result. The fourth, and this is a big one that we realized at our own agency, is that you have a lean team with high profit margins. If you have this system in place, you don't need any setters. Usually someone who gets hundreds of DMs a day would need multiple setters. That's eliminated through one AI setter. You don't need any fancy funnel builders. You don't need none of that. You have a lean team, you have high profit, and that money goes straight into your pocket. And finally, we have $5,000 to $30,000 clients. As you can see down here, this client here paid us 33,000 euros, which at the time was 36,000 US dollars. And that really goes to show that it is possible to funnel people through a system like this and make a ton of money in the process, and you can get a bunch of $5,000 clients. We've done close to $1 million in net revenue, 260K in other revenue. We have solid MRR, and our clients have done way more than this combined. So if you're a coach, consultant, infopreneur, or an agency, if you can attract people using ads and content, connect with them using inbound and automated outreach, qualify them with an AI setter, and do automated follow-ups, that will result in ready-to-buy calls, and you will never run out of customers. And if you want to learn more about the specifics of each of these phases, subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be making a ton of content on this moving forward.